Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to say a couple of remarks before I start the conversation. First, I'd like to suggest something I learned in America, which is called crocodile tears. Crocodile tears represent those who pretend to cry with you on the hour of your need, but who are actually gleefully enjoying that. And this seems to be the case with Somalis today. Second, I would like to respond to my fellow countryman, Professor Mukhtar, about the teaching of Somali issues in American universities. I've been teaching in the United States for 20 years, to be precise, and I never had any difficulty in convincing and educating both my undergraduate and graduate students about the nature of Somali political economy and the nature of that crisis. Never had any problem whatsoever. Finally, the World Bank, UNICEF, and others, as was stated earlier on today, produced something called Program for Somalia's Reconstruction. We feel that it's a flawed document, and a group of Somalis got together last year and produced an alternative to that, which I will be happy to sell to you in the form of this special issue of Bildan. Thirdly, I want to start the conversation here by, I have written few lyrics. I'm not a poet or a songwriter, but I dabble with songs from time to time to entertain myself. And I have written few lyrics to an old Somali song, which I think captures the essence of the calamity that my people are facing today, and the spirit of resistance. For those who would like to sing with me, who are Somalis, and others who would like to chat along, you are most welcome. And the song is called DIIDNAYEE, OGOW, say, which means resistance and freedom forever. DIIDNAYEE, OGOW, dalkayaga ninkido nahayayo, siyo rabo, anaku DIIDNAYEE, OGOW, damahi tikreyo, dulmihi ahmara, dulkeni lo mudaraye, lafikai daya. dugsi orago anaku diidnaye ogow daranyada dalkeeniyo dadkii waa dulogo inakuna katamka weyne Soomaalay daya diidnaye ogow dalkayaga ninkii doonayayo inuu dugsi orago anaku diidnaye ogow dabadhilif dantiisii ayaa teni loo dilaya anakuna dooni mayne Afrikay daya diidnaye ogow dalkayaga ninkii doonayayo inuu dugsi orago anaku diidnaye dadaalkii Ismail difaacii qawnimo ayaa la doonayaa Soomaalay diidnaye ogow dalkayaga ninkii doonayayo inuu dugsi orago anaku diidnaye ogow. Thank you very much. The capital of Somalia lies in ruins today. A quarter of the population live in the bush without any services whatsoever since January of this year. 1/3 of the physical structure, not infrastructure, but structures of Mogadishu lay in ruins today. We hold the government of Mela Zenawi responsible. It doesn't matter how long it's going to take. We will bring him to justice no matter what. I want to start my conversation further by saying that the struggle in Somalia and in Africa and elsewhere is about ideas which produce results or produce disaster. An American diplomat in late 2001 visited an institute in Mogadishu called Mogadishu University. The diplomat asked the question to the rector of the university, Dr. Ali Sheikh Ahmed, do your students pray when they are on campus? Ali was befuddled and quite didn't know how to react, and he said, those who want to pray do pray, and those who don't want to pray, that's their business. What the American diplomat was trying to get at is that the Mogadishu University, which is non-profit, non-private, non-public, if you like, institution, established since the beginning of last decade. Ali is an Islamic scholar himself. And if you have students who are praying when they are on campus, this must be breeding some kind of lunatic terrorist. That's our world today and the way much of American policy making works today.